In this video, we will talk about 5 project ideas for Power BI beginners. So let's get started with it. Here are 5 project ideas for beginners. First is sales performance dashboard. You can build a sales profit and customer metric performance dashboard like this. You can use data source such as sample superstore data set. It, it can be in an Excel or CSV file. The data source, we will provide you a sample data source, or if you are working with a company, so there will be company sales data which will have columns like you know sales value, profit value, order date, product name, product category, product subcategory, product segment, customer segment, region in which sale was made, country information, etc. And you can try a dashboard like this. A detailed tutorial of around 20 to 30 minutes is on our channel. I will provide you a link. So this is first thing. The key features that you should include in your sales performance dashboard is total revenue, total profit and sales trends, regional sales distribution, top selling products and least performing items. You can also bring monthly or quarterly or yearly comparisons. And the skills that you will practice in such kind of data set or the tutorial that we have is you will learn data visualization, DAX measures, filters, etc. Next, you can create a marketing performance analysis. So we have a sample data set with course marketing and sales performance. So the data source you can use is course marketing and sales performance, or you can get this type of information from Google Analytics. If that company has a CRM or a ERP or a e-commerce order report, so you can use some kind of API to read that data. You can also use some kind of exports in CSV or Excel format, and then you can import them in Power BI and start creating the visuals. The key features will be campaign wise sales and profit. So when you are doing marketing, you will be running multiple campaigns. So you can create report for campaign wise. For example, here we have given fees collected. You can see sales by campaign. You can also see marketing platform or mode wise sales and profit. Sometimes when we are running marketing campaigns, so we run it on digital marketing platforms and offline marketing platforms. On digital marketing platforms also we have multiple choices, like we can run it through Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. Obviously YouTube ads is a part of Google ads, and LinkedIn advertisements. And how many leads are you collecting, how many leads are getting converted into sales. So your leads to conversion ratio, your impression to conversion ratio, how many visitors on your website are you getting, if it is a physical store, so how many customers visit your store. Those type of things you can present in your dashboard. If there are sales teams, so performance of sales teams and individuals can also be shown. Top performing employees of the month, top performing employee of the week, something like that, or a year can be displayed. The skills practiced in this dashboard, in this project that we have shown here, will be data transformation, Power Query editors used for it, data modeling, etc. Because you will be combining multiple data sets or data sources. If you will do that, then you will also learn data mine modeling uh, by creating relationships. Next very important type of project or useful project that you can do is HR analytics dashboard. In HR analytics dashboard, you can do something like attrition analysis or general analysis, like how many number of employees are there, what is the attrition ratio or rate, what is the average age of employee, their average salary, attrition by education. And so you can do attrition or retention, like how many people you have of different skill set, attrition by years of company, marital status wise detail, attrition count by business travel. So you can use features like employee headcount by department, attrition rate and hiring trends. Salary distribution is very important. Employee demographics like age, gender, experience. The skills practice in this type of project will be data modeling, DAX calculation, and interactive visualizations. Like you can use how to apply these filters like age group, business level, department. You will also learn if a numerical continuous data is given, how to convert it into a group so that we can create those group wise distributions. Next is something that you can do is medical test report analysis. Like when there are medical tests, whether it's a pathological test or something else, there are different type of reports. In those reports multiple values are given, and now let's say we collect data of around 1,000 patients or 500 or 600 or whatever. So medical test report analysis will help you in analyzing what can be the value or range of values of different parameters to predict if someone is healthy or unhealthy or something like that. So, as an example, we have done a project of liver function test data analysis, which is known as LFT. We are also working on a KFT kidney function test. So, data source can be you can use other our sample data sources, or you can also, if you are a team or an individual, so you can go to some diagnostic centers and request if they can provide you data set for educational research. If they agree, then obviously you will be able to, first you will get some PDF reports or some documents there, and after that what you will do, you will create from those physical reports, from those hard drive files or whatever you call it. You will first digitalize them, convert them into digital reports by writing the data into Excels or CSV format. So you will do the data collection, then structuring of data, then you will do some data cleaning, and after data cleaning, when you will import that data into Power BI, then what you can do is how many total records do you have. You can do comparison of two numerical values for regression analysis. For example, what is the relation between total protein and bilirubin in a blood test report? What is the relationship of ALT versus AST? Like you can see a very linear trend here. So you can do regression analysis, trend analysis there. You can also do distribution of numerical values like a histogram, how to create a histogram, how, and parameters defining a patient being healthy or unhealthy. That is very important. Like indirect bilirubin versus is healthy. So you will see the range where patients are healthy. You will see the ranges where patient is unhealthy, and this is something that when you will do, you will, and obviously for different type of blood test, you have to do a lot of research there. You must have some domain knowledge. You can take help of some pathology professionals or doctors. So this can be a really good project to showcase your skills, your research power, your research skills. And if you need any help in this type of project, any kind of guidance, you can ask us in the comment section. We'll be happy to help. In fact, we have created SQL databases for this type of reports. You can create a simple form also, and you know ask individuals to provide some data. So this type of collaborative work can give you a data, and it will obviously help you in understanding how these different type of parameters work. Next is, obviously we have discussed something related to this, but this is e-commerce orders insights, particularly for e-commerce business, whether it's a apparel, whether it's a site which is selling apparels or clothing, whether it's a site that is selling courses online, or a website that is selling some kind of subscriptions, whatever it is. So you can do a online shoppers purchasing intention analysis, something like that. This project is already there, where you can see we have number of visits by traffic type, average of bounce rate by revenue, exit rate by revenue, number of visits by browser. And I want to mention that Kaggle and UCI repository, these are great sources to get data. Sometimes you will find open source data on GitHub also. So you can find this, or you can ask ChatGPT to generate some fabricated or you know sample data for you. You can give them columns or your condition or requirement and try to replicate some real life scenarios. And ChatGPT or DeepSeek like tools can also give you data. So that can be done for e-commerce analysis. You can uh, get sample order data set from an e-commerce platform. For example, if we are running an e-commerce website that is created using WooCommerce in WordPress, just giving one example. So in WordPress, you can either use the MySQL database where it stores the data, or you can take advantage of WooCommerce API. WooCommerce API will provide you a lot of data that you will need for your analysis, because it's uh, you know you will just provide different parameters. So you can use Postman or something similar to visualize, first understand the different endpoints, and you can do that. Or as a beginner, if you're not familiar about this, so you can simply get sample order data set from that platform. You can take help of the administrator in providing you this information, and you can create that. Key features will be total orders, revenue and profit margin, top customers in product categories, ordered processing, time analysis, return and refund trends, which are very important. Sometimes refund and uh, return and refund trends, uh, kind of affects the overall business decisions also, like whether to continue or not, or to have some pivotal strategies in management or marketing. So those type of things can be there. And skills that you will practice in this part will be data cleaning, creating KPIs, building interactive reports and all. Obviously this is something that we will do in almost all of them. What I am showing here is I am showing this one dashboard per data set, but you can also create multiple reports. Like, you want to make sure that whatever dashboard you are creating should contain information that is meaningful for the end user, and it should not be confusing. It should be interactive. Filters are well defined, your values are well defined, everything is nice and clear. Obviously it should be good looking, and then you can create multiple pages and link them together using navigation settings. So this is something that you can do. And here are top or our 5 project ideas for Power BI beginners. If you are a beginner, you can try them. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that we can bring you Power BI, data analysis, Excel dashboard, Tableau dashboard, Python, Pandas, etc. related tutorials for you. And you will find everything on our channel. If you have any data analysis related question or query, you can ask us in the comment section. Till then, have a nice day. Thanks for watching the video.